Hello everyone, my name is Alice. I'm 7 years old. Today, I read a book, The Baby Bird. Chip, chip. The Baby Bird. Once there was a baby bird. The baby bird had a small beak. She has a small legs. She has small wings. She was very small, but she was warm and happy. Then something happened. The baby bird began to grow. "Oh my," said the baby bird. "My beak is getting stronger. My legs are getting longer. My wings are getting bigger too." The baby bird grew and grew. "Oh my," said the baby bird. "Look at me. I am getting bigger and bigger. If I grow much more, I will run out of room here." The baby bird grew more and more. The baby bird said, "Look at me. My beak is getting stronger, a lot stronger. My legs are getting longer, a lot longer. My wings are getting bigger, a lot bigger. This space is just too small for me." "Ouch," said the baby bird. I am too big for this space. My legs are too long. My wings are too big. What can I do?" "I know what I can do," said the baby bird. "I can pick with my beak. My strong, sharp beak will get me out of here." The baby bird picked and picked. She did not stop. Then something happened. Crack, crack, crack. The baby bird got out of the egg. The baby bird was free. The baby bird said, Now my long legs can hop. Now my big wings can flap. Now I have lots of space." "Have a book," said Mother Bird. "Everybody, I have a question for you. Where is a baby bird?" "Yes, that's right. The baby bird's in the eggs." Thank you for reading the story with me today. I wish you have a beautiful day. See you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.